Okay, let's do a VLOOKUP without the 0. So we've got Alice, she has a result of 66, and we want to find her grade. And this is the table we're going to use. So we would do equals VLOOKUP. The lookup value is 66, comma. The table array is all the numbers and then across 1, comma. And the column index number is number 2 because the grades are in the second column. And that's it. And we get credit. Now, if we do the same formula, so if we do the same formula, but this time with 0, watch what happens. And you can use true, you can use false as the same as 0, but we do comma 0, press enter, and it says NA. So the comma 0 is when you want Excel to find that exact number, 66. So in this case, it looks down here and it cannot find, there is no 66. There's 60 and there's 70, but there's no 66. So Excel says NA, no 66 to be found. But if you remove the 0, it gives you a credit because Excel looks at these two numbers and finds that 66 is between 60 and 70, and it will return that value, credit. So in answer to the question, when do we use 0 and when we do not use 0 if you've got a table where you need a value between numbers. Okay, just to clear it up, let's do one without. I'll get rid of this socks. So we have a product ID 165 and the product name for it is socks, that one there. Yep. So we want VLOOKUP to find that number. So in this case, equals VLOOKUP. Lookup value is 165. The table with the values is here, and we go across 1, comma. We want the answer from not column 1, column 2, because we want the product name to appear. Now, unlike this case, where we're looking for 66 in between the numbers, here we want an exact match. We want to know exactly what the product name for 165 is. So we say comma 0. We're telling Excel, if you can't find this number, then don't give me an answer. So in this case, it's socks. But let me change it. Let's change this one to 166, which as you can see here, there is no 166. And it gives us the correct answer, which is to say there is no product name with a 166 behind it. Yeah. So depending on the table, depending on what you're looking for, will decide whether you use 0 or not. If you want an exact match, then you use 0. If you don't want an exact match, you want to look in between the numbers, then it's no 0. Might just